Okay, and we are streaming, and I've shared, so that's good. Let's start looking at it. So I'll start with collection strategies in case anyone was watching yesterday. And Mark has gracefully reviewed, so I will look at stuff and I'll explain here why one of the static methods, but I will add a doc string. I wanted to keep the module exports to a reasonable amount, plus this function does not make a lot of sense on its own, but only as a strategy. In fact, the doc string will cover that bit. Okay, so as you can see, I did answer one of the questions, but the other thing, the docstring part of the question, I am going to I'm going to actually change. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that. So gather API one of it. I'm assuming that like when he wrote docstring he meant all of these. A collection strategy. Assign will I like this format. Okay, so now assign all the possible options. Collect all registered items into a set. Here, and that's good. There is an error. On conflicting if any of the registrants, if more than one item is registered to the same name, raise an error. Oh, this is a very long line still, so I am going to break up this line. Give it a temporary name. Nice. Okay, so this is addressing this thing. Okay, so this is good. Obviously docstring here. Raise value. Okay, good. Yeah, this is okay. Now this is always an interesting question. Should this be an exception specific to Gather? Yeah, maybe we can just define a new exception. We will inherit from value. So Gather conflict error, value error. Okay. Yeah, so I think this is a good comment. So I'm kind of making this kind of very ad hocly in collect. Here we go, collect, and maybe between all these things, what I want is some object that I will give to the scanner. Right, so we'll put it here for now. We'll probably want to move it later. Class scanner parameters object s frozen. No, not frozen, because we will want to change the exceptions. So in general, none is not a great idea, but here you can see it's not an external interface. It is purely an implementation detail restricted to these two functions in the assignment. So it is a local none, which makes it not that bad. Raise self under, please raise. Great. Okay, now registry trip tag strategy. Awesome. Now scanner parameters equals scanner parameters, and basically we'll give it the same argument, but now they are basically name checked and parameters equals params. And the downside is that here we do scanner dot raise if needed. Okay, and scanner parameter params. And actually this means that I can save this from init because this isn't necessarily needed. Scanner registry default Artifactory text. Okay, good. And this tip and return programs dot registry. And now I save this line as well. I think these three lines can also be in a function there. Which means I can make strategy and turn the thing. In fact, I can make all these because this is just kind of please raise. So. Update self name object path needs to be in 10 class. Underscore its name in a minute. And I think this means we can kill please maze. We still need a tag, of course. And the registry needs to be public. No, I think the tag might make more sense on the scanner itself. Okay. Tag. Okay. So update equals params, update tag equals self. Okay. And here it's params, not resistant, of course. Okay, so this is good. It's down. Okay, I think I like it. It's nice. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we don't see him. Only registers module level things. So theoretically Uh, and since I've promised that I really should do that, so new issue. Bylint has docstring check disable. It should be enabled. Excellent. Okay, so far as you can see, I've just written code, because all this code so far should be covered by Unix strings. I am just gonna see how bad the Unix strings are doing. I'll probably have some minor bugs. I don't think I've changed any interfaces, which means I should be able to just fix the bugs, and I hope to not have to modify unit tests. Scanner parameters has no attribute strategy. That is very sad. Let's see why not. Strategy. Because I think it's underscore strategy, yes. Okay, let's try this again. There's a good chance all the failures came from this case, so I'm gonna just rerun them. Oppa. And of course we change it from effective name to name inside this guy. So let's again, and that was it. So the units are passing. So I am going to commit address Mark Williams. This is like the most annoying thing. I always do this in the comments. Git push, and we will let Travis run. And Mark has been extremely kind to me, and he also and we further kind of discussed some of the issues with pair with, and we agreed that maybe a custom object is better. So git branch, git checkout. So we can probably delete this guy and increase velocity and depth. Yeah. Git checkout transform. And src gather API choop. And instead of pair with, we are going to have a class wrapper. It's going to be an outer class, and this time I think we can make it frozen. Let it go, original equals attrib and class method well, I want to call this with, but unfortunately with is a keyword. Here, of course, I am changing the interface, so some unit tests will have to change, obviously. Let's call it glue for now. We have self. Extra. This is of course CLS by convention, return CLS of original, extra. So this is cool. It's basically almost like a named tuple, but nicer, and I think that actually does all the work of pair with. So I am gonna chip. Move this docstring here. Wrap an object with extra data. Gather wrapper glue 5. Yeah. Silly me. And again we'll push it and let Travis do its thing. And I think that's it. So I've addressed all the comments. I've opened the issue. So I think we're done with streaming.